Number 1. Offer your parrot its favorite fresh meal like carrot, beetroot, peas, sweet corn, papaya, apple, grapes, banana, pomegranate. Number 2. All birds enjoy bathing, so offer a daily bath to your bird. Number 3. To keep your bird happy, give a beautiful toys like wooden blocks, natural fiber, rope, or any types of stainless steel toys. Number 4. Whenever any friends or relatives come to your house, socialize with your parrot. Number 5. Never play electronic dance music because high frequency ultrasonic sound may scare your parrot. Number 6. Play with your parrot. Keep your voice low. Offer them comfort. Number 7. Avoid to touch your parrot on their back, wings, or tails. Number 8. Parrots like to destroy things but never scold your parrot. Sometimes they may bite you but don't punish them for biting. Number 9. If your parrot love music, play soft and soothing melody. Some parrot like classical music. Soft, simple melody might attract your bird. Number 10. Offer your parrot its favorite treat. If you have pet parrot, you might be know what they like most. So offer their favorite treat. Thanks for watching.